Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here today. So today's video is a little bit different. I was watching a YouTuber called the Economic Ninja, and he put out a video saying, asking for everybody 50 and above. I'm not 50, but I'm almost there. To go ahead and start a YouTube channel, or if you have one, continue and post a video every day for 10 days in a row. The goal of this is for like the more experienced generation to share their experiences, to to try to impart some wisdom on the younger generation, or even people who might not have been through what you've been through but are going through it now. So I'm the worst speaker ever, and this is way out of my comfort zone. So I'm gonna try to do this. It's really hard for me, but it's hard for others because they haven't even had a YouTube channel, and I already have mine up and running. So that's the only way I'm able to do this. If I didn't, I know I would not be able to do this at all. So my channel's more of a food channel, so I'm gonna try to share some like tips and tricks, and maybe some people don't know yet, and hopefully I could help somebody out just by sharing food content, food for your tummy, and also food for the soul. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Consider subscribing and leave a comment down below. Thank you.